Welcome, your registration was successful. I'm Mr. Rabbit, your AI virtual tutor, to teach you about the stock market and investing. On your dashboard, you should see 1. The top 14 most frequent stocks amongst all students, 2. Top 8 students for peer-to-peer learning, and you can view their profile, to see which stocks they invest in. They say save the best for last, and now, step 5, will put you on the path of success. It might look daunting at first looking at a graph. Let me simplify this for you. The search button allow you to look up stocks you like, in this example type Starbucks. Now, let's select 10 years, you will see Starbucks stock price coming from $36.57. Can you only imagine if you were using our platform then, and bought 1,000 shares at that price? Today, Starbucks is over $90 per share. Wow! Both you and your parents would be smiling to the bank. Back to reality, input the number of shares. If you select buy during 9:30 AM to 4 PM, your trades will be active instantly. If you do this after 4 PM, it's considered pre-market orders and your stock will be active at the opening price the following day when you're at school. Cool, huh? On the right you should see leaderboard. That simply means students in your school and each of you are given $100,000 to invest. You can use peer-to-peer learning, and beat other players at their own game. I am confident that you can take it from here and I do wish you all the best. Take care for now. Step 2, the stock market section, will educate you about listed companies on the US, Jamaica, Barbados, Guyana and Trinidad stock exchanges. If you select industry, the platform will filter stocks based on your selection. Click on the logos, for the educational information about the company you're researching. The up-down arrows below the stock prices, simply means that stock is gaining or losing value, based on demand and supply on the international markets. You might be asking yourself, what's change in percent change? Well, that's easy, it simply means, the dollar amount in percent the stock appreciates or depreciates every minute. Next up, market capitalization. It's a way to measure the size or value of a company. Imagine you wanted to buy a toy store. You would have to pay the owner a certain amount of money to own it, right? Market cap is a number that tells us how much the whole company would cost to buy. Lastly, trades is the amount of time students on the platform are buying/selling that stock. Now, let's move over to the quiz and course section.
Hello users, my name is Maven, your AI tutor, and I am the genius with mathematics, money and business. Need help to solve any math problem or to understand personal finance, investing and CSEC syllabus? I can make it easy. Go ahead, ask me. Of course, saving money is an important skill that can help you achieve your financial goals. Here are some steps to help you save effectively. 1. Set a goal. Determine why you want to save money and set a specific goal, such as saving for a new toy, gadget, or even for college. Point 2. Create a budget. Track your income and expenses to understand where your money is going.